Happy Monday, everybody. There's so much going on in the world, but that means it's more important than ever to make sure that you're making yourself some good food to eat. A soothing, satisfying, and creamy pot of beans is a Louisiana Monday laundry day tradition. I look forward to Mondays because it's so relaxing to make my creamy Pintos and Jasmine rice. And it's even easier when you prepare the broth ahead of time and pre-soak the beans. I invite you to take some time and check out all the videos on my Sunflour Academy of Gluten-free Fusion YouTube channel. There you're going to find my creamy Pintos and Jasmine rice video. You'll also find a video on how to pre-soak the beans overnight. But if you don't have overnight, I also have a video on my quick method. Okay, everybody, enjoy the video, and I hope you take the opportunity to enjoy this Monday Louisiana Laundry Day tradition. Have a safe, enjoyable rest of your Monday. Talk to you soon. Happy Tuesday, everybody. I hope you find at least a few moments today to do something that you really enjoy doing. The energy is really high right now, and that's usually my cue to get creative in the kitchen. One of my favorite challenges lately has been turning whatever I already have in the refrigerator or pantry into something super delicious. A few days ago, I was trying to figure out what to do with that leftover homemade Neapolitan ragu in the refrigerator. And then the next thing I knew, I was making a quick pan of lasagna. I took some fresh gluten-free egg pasta sheets and bechamel made with my own flour blend, and then I pan-fried some hot Italian sausage and grated some hard Italian cheeses. I sliced some whole milk mozzarella, and wow, it was one of the best lasagnas I've ever had. I'll share that video too. I wanted to stay on that whole pasta track, but then at the last minute I switched gears to gluten-free tuna noodle casserole. And then it hit me. What if I topped it with crispy gluten-free French fried onions, golden bubbly cheddar, crunchy onions, comfort food perfection. Moments like that still get me so excited because they remind me that with the right staples and a little know-how, you can make almost anything out of anything, gluten-free. Over time, I've developed a practical, efficient, and budget-friendly way to keep a gluten-free kitchen stocked and ready for moments like these. And now I'm excited to share that knowledge with you through my new gluten-free shopping and cooking helpline. For just $3.99 a month, you can book a short phone or video call with me whenever you need help. Navigating gluten-free grocery shopping, converting a favorite recipe, or pulling off a quick, stress-free, gluten-free meal for family or friends. This video is a little taste of what's possible, and I'd love to help you create the same kind of freedom and confidence in your own kitchen. There's more details in the comments. Have a beautiful rest of your day.